Hi everybody and welcome to my channel. If you don't already know me, my name is Linda and I make videos about travel, my everyday life, and I like to do little clothing hauls too. I am doing a little haul as well in this video, but this one is going to be a bit different because I get the honor of being the maid of honor for my best friend's wedding, which is coming up. And as part of my maid of honor duties, I get to throw her a bachelorette party, which I'm super excited about. We are going to be staying in an Airbnb in our old college town, which has a bunch of fun breweries and different things like that. So we're gonna stay in the Airbnb, and I got a bunch of decorations and all that fun stuff to make it feel really homey and nice, and we'll give her a fun little send-off. So I wanted to show you guys all the things that I got in preparation for her bachelorette. If you are planning a bachelorette, maybe this gives you a little bit of an idea of some things that you can get. But yeah, I will show you guys some of the decor and just like little things like that that I've gotten. And I will say I definitely tried to do this on a budget because, you know, can't be breaking the bank around here. But I did find some really good stuff off of Amazon and from the dollar store and different places like that, that I think will just make it a really great weekend. So let's go ahead and get into it. All right, and some of these items you may have seen in my last haul. It would have been the video before this, but the reason I'm making this video is because I got a couple questions on that last haul, and some people were just asking about some of the other items I was getting for the bachelorette. So I thought I would share everything that I got so far. So you would have seen this in the last haul. It's these fun little decorative poofs. You like open it up and it's these like paper flowers. So I thought that that would just be really nice to be able to put on tables and like hang from the ceiling and all that type stuff. So I thought that that would be a fun little addition to have. Along with that, I got these disco balloons, which I will try and insert a picture maybe here of what they look like. And you can just blow them up, and I think that they add a fun little extra element as well. Along with that, I got this rose gold foil fringe curtain. It just like hangs across a wall, hangs down to the floor. It's pretty long. It's a pack of 3, which is super nice. So if we don't use all of them, I can use it for a different event as well, and just keep that on hand. But this will be like a really good backdrop with like the balloons and other signs and things in front of it. And speaking of balloons, we got some fun rose gold balloons. There's 3 different types in here. And this, I think, will just be perfect to, you know, add some more. You can never go wrong with too many balloons, I feel. I don't know. I don't know if that's just a personal opinion or if that's like common knowledge, but it's a good move for me. Okay, so we got her a cute little sash as well. It says bride to be on it. My friend's not a super like showy person or anything, so I think that this will be so cute and subtle. Obviously it's very bridal still, so that will just be really nice. She can use it however she wants to, but yeah, I think it'll be a cute little addition. And then there's also this cute little pin that has a diamond on it as well. You just pin it at the bottom so that the sash stays across. And then we also got her this little headband with a veil as well. I will say I think I'm gonna steam this veil just so it's not all, you know, it's not very nice when it has a bunch of crinkles in it. But this headband is adorable. Look at that. Look at that detail. Like, you can wear this anytime. You don't have to be a bride. You just take off the veil. It's fine. But no, I thought that this would be a perfect, subtle little bridal moment as well. I know some people wear like crowns or like little headbands that say bride and things like that, but my friend isn't that type of person. She wouldn't wear that. So I definitely wanted to get her some items that she actually feels like she can wear. So I think that that'll be a good one for me. Okay, the next item we got is this little hanging sign, which is adorable. It says Papa Bubbly, she's getting a hubby, which is just, I think, so fun and cute. So I'm picturing that we can hang that in front of the little like foil wall, and I think it'll look really nice. And another sign that I got is this little pink, fun, like letter cutout sign. It says "In My Bride Era." I just thought that that was adorable, and I thought it would be great for her specifically. I just think it fits with her vibe, and I just thought that we could hang it up somewhere else in the Airbnb and just, you know, keep the fun going. It doesn't just have to have one sign in one spot. We can have decor all over. So I think that that will be perfect. And so looking forward to having this. It is the electric balloon pump, which I just find to make my life so much easier. I've had these before for like work events and things like that where I had to blow up a lot of balloons, and this was just a lifesaver. Saves your breath. It's not like gross, you know? So it's definitely a handy thing. It's a good thing to keep on hand too. You can use it for all kinds of events, birthdays. Take it with to your friend's house if you're needing to blow up balloons at their house for an event or something like that. You can just keep it on hand. You can lend it out to your friends, which is super nice. So it's a good investment piece, I think. So those were all the items I got from Amazon. Now I want to show you some of the fun items I got from the dollar store, which I just thought would be like good. You know, these are all things I feel like you're really just going to use it for a day, like even an evening, one event. So it doesn't need to like break the bank, but it can be cute. It can be fun. So I just found a couple things, which I did get her this little bride head, like hair thing. What is it called? A headband, which I don't know that she'll actually wear. I just thought it was cute, and I thought that she could wear it for a couple pictures if she wanted to. But again, it's from the dollar store, so it's not gonna break the bank, but it looks adorable. So I thought it was a good pickup, good find. Along with that, we got this cute little bride balloons too that you can hang up. And I did get her another sash as well that I found there. I thought just in case this was more to her tastes, it has gold writing on it and it's on a white sash. It says bride to be on it as well. So that was a good find there too. Now, one of the most adorable things I have ever seen at the dollar store, but I was like, you know what? I have to do it. I actually went to 2 stores because they were sold out of them. At one store, or almost sold out, I got like 2 of them there, but we had like 8 people coming. So I needed 8. You know, we have to be matching. But I just thought that this would be so, so fun because we're going to be like, you know, having a good time all weekend long. And I just thought that this would be so fun for us to all have matching little cups and be able to use these around the house and stuff like that. So yeah, so this is one of the cups that I got, and I did get one for everybody. And then there is, just because I didn't know if I'd be able to find them anywhere else, there was also this cup, which I just think is so adorable too. It's a little palm tree. And then it's a little like lemon slice, and it has a little sash across it. So you could wear it on your arm. If you're small enough, you can wear it as like a little crossbody. I just thought this was so stinking cool. So I got like 3 of these. 2 of them are the lemon ones. And then I also found a little like strawberry. How adorable is that? Isn't that so cute? So yeah, so this was just a cute little find that I thought, and honestly, I thought since I found 8 of the other ones, I just thought I'd probably keep these ones for me, but, and to use like for other events during the summer. So yeah. So along with that, I also got this Miss to Mrs. sign. You can see what it looks like there, that you can just hang up. There you go. You can just hang up. So another little sign that'll be easy to hang up and use. The reason I got so many signs was because I just didn't know how it would all look together. So I figured I would just get more, and then I can always return what we don't end up using. So that will be good. And the last items that I got were just these 2 little ring balloons. I just thought they were adorable. Cute little props for pictures if we wanted them. So I think all the decor and everything, I think it'll come together nicely, and it'll just look really great. And obviously all of these items were a lot cheaper. So I definitely like kind of recommend checking out some of those stores where you might not think that they have like cute little bachelorette items, but they do. And then supplementing that with like Amazon or, you know, Party City or anything like that after that, if you want to. Okay, I forgot to show you guys this, because I forgot I put it somewhere else, but I got 2 more things from Amazon for the Bachelorette. I got these fun little eye masks. It says Future Mrs. and Bride Squad. I got one of these for all the different people that are at the Bachelorette, but I just think that they're super cute. We're gonna be doing like a little movie night going to the drive-in, so I thought that these would be perfect because we're planning on wearing our PJs to the drive-in, so I think it'll be so good. And then along with that, I also just got these 24K gold eye masks. I just thought this was a fun little activity. Originally, we were just gonna stay at the house and do a movie night, but since we're going to the drive-in, we'll just be able to do this afterwards. It'll just be a fun little other thing that we can do as we're just hanging out, playing games, things like that at the house. So I think it will be perfect. But yeah, just wanted to show you those 2 items as well. Alrighty, yeah, so that is everything that I got for the Bachelorette so far. Obviously, I planned the whole weekend, and I still have to grab some things like snacks and some drinks and things like that for the Airbnb, but just about done with everything. I think it's gonna be a really fun time. I'm just looking forward to seeing all my friends in one place again, which will be so nice. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope if you enjoyed this, like and subscribe. Please leave comments too if you have any questions or anything, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.